Hi, welcome back. This is another way to get backlinks, to get traffic to your website, demonstrating your products or services. And this can be both ways. You can have written content with pictures on your website, or you can have videos. Now, a few examples of these would be, how about your tools? Let's say you're a water restoration company, or you provide water damage restoration services. Now, how about showing off your moisture meters? When you go for a free estimate, people just think it's free, but there's a value to it, and you can show them, we have these state-of-the-art moisture meters that will tell us exactly what needs to be done, how much moisture your building has. We have infrared cameras. If you clean carpets, then how about showing off your carpet wands, the powerful latest carpet wands? If you do office cleaning services, then you can show in your videos or with picture how thoroughly you clean an office. What all do you do? Same thing, what if you remove mold? You can show that. Your products, maybe you're a roof repair company, then you can show off your roof shingles in a video or in a long post. If you provide office cleaning or disinfecting services, then you can talk about all the new chemicals out there now that are EPA approved, that have a 99.9% kill rate. They will remove all viruses, bacteria, and so on. Especially with everything that's been going around, a lot of offices want to get their offices disinfected. So you can show your products. You can show off your machinery, like rug repair. If you do rug repair and you have those state-of-the-art machines, then you can show them in your videos or write about them. What about your waterproofing sprayers if you provide waterproofing services? So the idea here is to have posts or videos that talk about these things, where you can demonstrate your services, your tools, your products, and then share them on social media. Now, you can either do that on your own social media profiles, or you can ask others to do that for you. But once people see these videos or they read these posts, and if they like it, they might share it with other people as well. So that will get you backlinks from people that you don't even know. Maybe you make a video of how to remove mold from a basement, or what kind of roof shingles a homeowner should select. That is reasonable in price, but lasts for at least 30 years. So when you have those kind of videos, they can go viral, or at least people will share them with others. When you add these videos, when you add these posts to your website, you can have a share button next to the post itself that says, click here to share this. And if someone really likes it, they can share it on social media. They can take the link and email it to somebody. Maybe there's a guy whose friend is looking for his roof to be replaced. So they might take that link and send it to a friend. You never know. So all these value added videos, all these value added posts can help you gain backlinks, traffic, and more business. Like I've been saying from day one, it's not just about getting more backlinks. It's not a numbers game when it comes to getting more backlinks. It's more about audience engagement. It's more about getting leads, increasing revenue and profits. That's what this whole course is all about. So use these strategies to gain more rankings, backlinks, and more business. And I'll see you in the next video.